Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to delete all empty cells in a column Google Sheets. Let's begin. See this example. Select column, go to Data tab, create filter, click to this icon, clear, select blanks, and down. See this show only blank. Then right click on your mouse, delete row. Then again select, go to Data tab, remove filter, and now we can see this remove empty cells. Again apply the same process. Right click, select two cells, right click, delete selected rows. Again go to Data tab, remove filter. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.